What's going on, everyone? It's Aaron back out with another Jeep Wrangler JK video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install these nice steel grab bars. These are a pretty good upgrade if you have a lifted Jeep that's tall and in stock. It could be a little bit of a challenge for shorter type people to get in, and if you just want something more secure than these paracord roll bar mounted grab handles. You have nice solid steel ones to grab. They're a lot more sturdy than this. These are really just for grabbing while going down the trail. These are better positions. They're more durable for getting in the vehicle, and you can also hold them while going down the trail. So this is all the stuff you're gonna get with your kit. You're gonna get 2 of these spacers, 2 of these shorter bolts, and you're gonna get 2 of the longer spacers and 2 of the longer bolts, and obviously you're gonna get 2 of the steel grab handles. And then what you're gonna be removing are 2 13mm fasteners. One is up here, right next to where the visor mounts. There's a bolt up there, and the top hole of your A-pillar mount. There is gonna be a plastic screw, not that one. There's gonna be a 13mm bolt behind there. So you're gonna be removing these 2 bolts. They actually are kind of take a little bit of elbow grease to take out. And then you're going to need tools. Obviously, you're going to need a ratchet. I'm using 3/8. I got I believe a 6-inch extension, a 13mm socket, and I also have a 6mm hex socket. So these are the only tools you're going to need for the job: a ratchet, extension, 13mm socket, and a 6mm hex socket or wrench. And yeah, so like I said, we're gonna get started by removing that top bolt right there, you can see, and then the other bolts up there. So let's get right into the installation, and we'll get started mounting these steel grab handles up. Alrighty, so first things first, like I said, I want to grab your 13mm socket, and so there's gonna be a bolt up here next to where the sun visor bolts. You're just gonna want to loosen that. Careful not to hit your windshield with any of this. I'm just gonna fast forward this process so you guys don't have to watch me unbolt it. And that's the first bolt. Put that up there. And then the second bolt is going to be in this top hole, like I said. Be careful removing this bolt because it can fall behind these this A-pillar panel. It's not hard to remove, but it's just another annoying thing to do. So just be careful when doing that. I'm just going to obstruct the view real quick to see where the bolt is. There we go. Like I said, I'll fast forward this as well so you don't have to see this. Like I said, remove this bolt very carefully because you don't want to drop it behind the panel. And that's the other bolt. Alright, and then now we will grab our supplies for the mount itself. So these are side specific. So if you look here, there's a little bit of an angle. So if I put the bolt through, it's going to be up that way. So this is going to be for the passenger side, and the opposite one obviously is going to be for the driver's side. But you're going to want to put the bolt through, and you're going to want to slide on your spacer, and then you're going to want to align this with the hole up there and just thread that in a little bit like that. And then you want to grab your longer bolt, and so this one can be a little bit tricky. Just takes a little bit of time, but you're essentially going to want to do this. Slide that through. Slide the bolt through the spacer. and that appears to be grabbed. So that's when you're going to want to change out your 13mm socket to your 6mm hex, and you're going to want to start tightening everything. This is when I take off the extension and start doing it without the extension. I just find it to be easier that way. Again, I'll fast forward this so you guys don't have to see me tightening it. I'm just gonna flip back and forth, make sure it both gets evenly tightened. All right, so I am actually stripping that, so we're gonna stop tightening that. But yeah, that's pretty much the installation of the solid steel grab handles. Like I said, they're nice to pull you in. They're nice and sturdy. You can hold on to the oh shit bar or the grab handle while going down the trail, or you can grab the roll bar. I made a video on this, and these are nicer ones. So if you guys found the video helpful, leave a like, comment on what you guys like to see next, subscribe for more Jeep Wrangler JK videos, and I'll see you all next time. Peace out.